Happy day, everybody. My name is Jeremy, and this is Barbecue Elementary. Today I'll be recapping how I cooked this whole chicken, possibly the easiest and cheapest thing you can throw in your smoker at home. Let's go. After putting on the requisite black gloves, it's time to get the bird out of the bag. This is a 5.5 pound chicken, and I reckon it'll take about 2 hours-ish to cook up. To sort of ensure a streamlined cook process, I decided to spatchcock this bird. That is, I cut out the vertebrae, that way I could lay the chicken flat so that the meat would evenly and thoroughly cook. Now I'll probably say this in all my videos because you pretty much can use whatever you want, but you can use pretty much anything you want. Today I'll be using this Yardbird rub on this Yardbird. I'd say go as liberal with the rub as you'd like. I'm not even sure if it's possible to over-season a chicken, so load up on the flavor in this stage. After setting the smoker for 300 degrees and cooking the chicken for about 30 minutes, I decided to throw some butter on to melt, that way I could start basting the chicken. After about an hour of just laying on smoke and keeping the lid closed, I started to apply a layer of butter about every 15 minutes for the last hour of the cooking. After the chicken reached 165 degrees internal in the breast, it was time to pull and process. I halved them first, then I separated the thighs from the wings and the breasts. And it really is all that simple, my friends. The skin was crispy, the meat was nice and moist. I'll definitely be using this recipe multiple times over the next couple months. Probably be getting better, maybe adding a couple steps, maybe brining. But overall, just a very easy weeknight meal that gave me a lot of confidence. I think the best part of making these videos, and really my cooking journey so far, is how much more capable I am than I ever thought I'd be. From the actual preparation and knowledge gathering to the execution of the cook and skills I've been developing, I already feel like I've come quite a long way, and still know that I've got a long way to go. So, as always, thanks a million for tuning in, and a big thank you goes out to everyone watching, subscribing, and interacting with these videos. It's awesome knowing I have so many folks out there who want to follow me along on my learning adventure through Barbecue Elementary.